Chicago Mercantility Exchange start futures on Ethereum February 8. It was yesterday, and how it will change the price. My name is Yuri, I'm top offer on TradingView, and I'm gonna to share with you where is the best place to open entry on Ethereum, where could be your where you should put stop loss, take profit, and what could be our expectation with this futures launch. Also, I'll cover Bitcoin, my thoughts and reason why Bitcoin rose up so much. My friend, if you're first time on our YouTube channel, right now push like, subscribe, because YouTube don't like to share crypto content. And if you want to get notification updates right now, hit subscribe, hit the bell that you don't miss anything. At this moment, if you would take a look on Ethereum, let's ETH USDT. I think you can see that Ethereum rose up pretty well and broke its all history high. Best what we can do is to compare Ethereum to Bitcoin and analyze it. Take a look, Ethereum. I would like to share with you this chart. After breakout of its previous all-time high, take a look how beautiful breakout had happened. And at this moment, price still in the middle of this breakout pattern. Take a look on Bitcoin, what Bitcoin had done after breakout of its all-time high. Take a look. When Bitcoin broke its all-time high, price, as you can see, rose up 141% after that. And at this moment, that's a reason what many people tell that Ethereum also have huge potential because Bitcoin rose up so much. To be honest, yes, it's possible, but there are one thing which I don't like and which I also would like to share with you. My friend, remember to push the like button. I hope you remember if you were in 2017 when you trade Bitcoin. If you were in trading in 2017, I also remember when there were CME Bitcoin futures started. And take a look where it happened. After that, Bitcoin dropped down from 20k to 3,000, my friends. That's why, to be honest, I don't like these futures, because how it works. Many institutional traders like in JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs and others, they don't trade crypto because they don't like to buy assets to use some exchanges. For them, Chicago Mercantility Exchange is the best place for trading because they trade the oil, gold, currency pairs, because also they trade futures on currency pairs on Chicago Mercantility Exchange. Most of real and powerful hedge funds, they don't trade currency pairs on a fixed market. They trade it through CME. And Chicago Mercantility Exchange provide derivatives like futures. What's the main beauty of futures? That you can buy futures and make money when price rise, and also you can open short positions and you make money when price drop. That's the main beauty. That's why for institutional traders, this futures launch will have huge impact. And my friends, at this moment, okay, let's come back to technical analysis. I will show you where I personally open a trade on Ethereum. And I will show you what could be the next within few days. First, my friends, at this moment, as you can see, price broke this previous all-time high and started this beautiful uptrend. And at this moment, I would like to continue this uptrend. At this moment, I think that news about futures launch will it have impact on Ethereum, but still we have bullish run on Bitcoin. We have all market up and up. That means huge possibility that Ethereum will have the same momentum. And at this moment, I expect that Ethereum will hit at least 2000 USD because it is very huge and very round number that many people pay attention to it. And at this moment, why I bullish? Because at this moment, to be honest, my friend, at this moment with my team, we also open buy position here with such stop loss and take profit. What's the main idea? Because as you can see, it is beautiful breakout pattern which Ethereum love to show to our people. As you can see, take a look here. Key level, price create huge range accumulation, broke it and retested. At this moment, our risk, as you can see in this trade, our risk 2% and possible reward in 6 times bigger. imagine in 6 times bigger. If you put 1,000 on this trade, if everything good, you make 6,000. If you wrong and price hit your stop loss, you lose only 1. It calls risk reward. It's the beauty of the trading is that you don't need to be right for 100%. You just need to have good risk reward ratio. And to be honest, as you can see here, yesterday on our trading new page, I told to all our people that this breakout, take a look how I told that this breakout after this range squeezing to kill out, there would be breakout. And take a look at this moment what happened to the price. I think you can see price range squeezing and breakout, and at this moment just follow, my friends, just follow it. And if there would be a rise, I think there would be at least rise to 2000 USD. Also, my friends, a few words about Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin rose up so much? As you know, we have one guy which calls his name Elon Musk, and main reason why Bitcoin rose up so much, as you can see, take a look on this Bitcoin chart, BTC. Take a look. Bitcoin chart. This is biggest candle on BTC ever. Inside 1 day candle, price rose up, as you can see, 9,000 USD inside in 1 candle. Main reason why that happened, because Tesla buys 1.5 billion. Elon Musk told that he want to diversification of his money which he have on accounts, and at this moment that's why they bought that amount of Bitcoin, 1.5 billion, just imagine. And main idea of all of this is I spoke with many traders, and my friends, many of them are crazy, because Elon Musk buy Bitcoin, we also must buy Bitcoin, we must be in. That's the reason why it is a reaction. And at this moment, what I understand, if you will take a look on all charts, you would see that in most cases how big moves happens. As you can see, take a look on big candles. As you can see, biggest period of time, price rose up 4 days in a row or 2 days in a row. In most cases, we have cycle with 2 days of rise in a row. And after that, as you can see, example here, price were in a range, 1-2 days in a row, and after that another range. The same here. I think that could be rise up to 50k and after that a range. Because if you will take a look on the chart, my friends, take a look on the chart. At any time after breakout of powerful key level, as you can see, what happened after that? Range, and only after that uprise. That's why, my friends, don't think that at this moment there would be 100k within 1 minute. Take a look on this example. Price rose up 1, 2, 3 days in a row. Take a look, paranormal candle, and after that deep range. That's why at this moment I think best would be for Bitcoin if price would hit 50k and there would be a range. That's all. My friends, push like, subscribe, because if you like my updates, hit the subscribe button that you don't miss anything. Also, below this video there would be promotion I have from Bybit. Bybit proposed to our traders who will open account, you will get special bonuses. Below this video there would be information. Also, my friends, below this video you will find a link to our Discord community. It is free for all people. Take a look here. We have, as you can see, crypto room where you can communicate with other people. We have forex room where you can communicate with other people. Free lessons which I personally share. Free ideas, platforms which better to use. That's why I recommend you to join. Thanks for watching. See you next time in the future. Bye, my friends.